थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग स्नेहा टावरी। आज का एपिसोड उन सारे वुमेन क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स के लिए जो हर रात अपने बेड पर ये सोचकर सो जाते हैं कि यार क्या मैं वुमेन क्रिकेट प्लेयर बन भी पाऊंगी। बट टुडे वी हैव अ लाइव इंटरनेशनल इंस्पिरेशन विद अस, नन अदर दैन दिशा कासट। हाय दिशा। सो दिशा के बारे में मैं पहले कुछ ब्यूटीफुल 4 लाइनें बताना चाहती हूँ। तो हियर इट गोज दिशा, ये मैंने स्पेशली आपके लिए प्रिपेयर करी है। सो दिशा कासट का है क्रिकेट में नाम, दिशा कासट का है क्रिकेट में नाम, अमरावती से आई बढ़ाया देश का मान, सीनियर वुमेन्स ट्रॉफी में दिखाई अपनी पहचान, सीनियर वुमेन्स ट्रॉफी में दिखाई अपनी पहचान, विदर्भ के लिए मारा सेंचुरी का सीधा अरमान, आरसीबी के साथ अब है नए सपने, आरसीबी के साथ अब है नए सपने, डब्ल्यूपीएल में दिखाएंगी सब कुछ अपने दम से, सब कुछ अपने दम से, कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस से किया सबको इंप्रेस, कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस से सबको किया इंप्रेस, दिशा के शॉट्स है बिल्कुल फियरलेस और बिल्कुल फियरलेस। सो टुडे वी हैव दिशा कासट ऑन द सेट्स ऑफ द क्रिएटिव क्रॉसरोड्स। आई एम वन ऑफ द लकीएस्ट वुमेन एवर जिसको ये चांस मिला है कि वो एक लाइव वुमेन इंस्पिरेशन को एक्चुअली समझे, एनालाइज करे और ये सारी स्टोरी आप तक के पहुंचाए जिनको अपने लाइफ में वुमेन क्रिकेटर लीग में जाना है। सो लेट्स गेट डीपर इनटू द कॉन्वर्सेशन और ऑल्सो इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के एंड तक के बने रहिए बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट द जर्नी फ्रॉम वेयर दिशा इज एक्चुअली कम। सो हाय दिशा।
Hi. First of all, thank you so much for the lovely words.
So how are you feeling?
Actually, I'm feeling great.
Wonderful. So tell us something about your journey. I'm very interested to know about this because Women Cricket League ये पिछले साल ही स्टार्ट हुआ है, right? And I want to really know कि how the journey of you as a woman has been in this entire time.
I won't say it was easy, but I won't say it was that tough also because I had lot of support from my family. तो I think जब फैमिली से सपोर्ट हो तो आधी जंग आप वैसे ही जीत जाते हो। तो मेरे साथ वो दिक्कत नहीं था कि आपको फैमिली से लड़के क्रिकेट खेलना है। माई डैड वॉज द लाइक ही इज द रीजन आई एम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, यू कैन से दैट। क्योंकि मैं बहुत एक छोटे गांव से बिलोंग करती हूँ, लाइक सातेगांव इन अमरावती डिस्ट्रिक्ट। सो लाइक जिसका पॉपुलेशन में भी 10,000 है। तो मैं वहाँ ग्रो अप हुई हूँ एंड देन फ्रॉम 7th आई यूज्ड टू स्टे विथ माई आंट अमरावती में। सो एंड देन लेटर ऑन आई मूव्ड ऑन टू नागपुर। सो मतलब वैसा था कि थ्रू आउट द जर्नी मतलब फैमिली का सपोर्ट बहुत था, बट ये रीजन था कि आई स्ट्रगल्ड कि अपने मतलब मेरे फैमिली से या मारवाड़ी कम्युनिटी से कोई क्रिकेटर नहीं था जिससे लाइक सो एवरीथिंग वाज ट्रायल एंड एरर फॉर मी, लाइक वेदर इट्स बी डाइट, वेदर इट्स बी न्यूट्रिशन, वेदर इट्स बी स्किल्स, everything was trial and error. So in that way like मुझे से लगता है it took time for me to shape as a cricketer. If someone I had like मेरे पास अगर कोई गाइड करने होता तो maybe I was an year or 2 early in my career.
Got it. So from here on tell me something कि अगर एक किसी वुमेन क्रिकेटर को अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट करना है तो how should be the steps कि वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट करे?
आई थिंक सबसे पहली चीज कि फाइंड अ गुड क्लब नियर यू। कि आप वो क्लब में जाओ और मतलब स्पेशली ये पहला है कि आप स्किल्स पे अपने वर्क करो एंड देन ट्राई ऑल द स्किल्स, वेदर इट्स बी बैटिंग, वेदर इट्स बी बॉलिंग। जैसे बैटिंग में भी डिफरेंट है कि आपको टॉप ऑर्डर बनना है, मिडल ऑर्डर बनना है। बॉलिंग में आपको पेस बॉलिंग में इंटरेस्ट है या स्पिन बॉलिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, पहले एक्सप्लोर करो और जानो कि आपको किस में मजा आ रहा है। सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है कि मजा आना चाहिए जो भी आप कर रहे हैं। एंड देन आई थिंक ट्रेनिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट। तो फाइंड अ गुड जिम नियर यू जहाँ पे क्रिकेट स्पेसिफिक ट्रेनिंग हो। I spent half of my life doing normal training, like जैसे chest shoulder bicep, like normal gym training जैसे होता है। Because I didn't had any idea कि यार cricket specific होता है। Cricket specific में बहुत सारी चीजें आती है, जैसे plyometrics होता है, उसके बाद power होता है, rotational power है। तो cricket is all about rotational power. Everything is rotation. So मुझे वो 2-3 साल पहले तक पता ही नहीं था and I was training like a general person. सो वो चीज़ हुआ कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है फाइंड अ ट्रेनर हु विल हेल्प यू कि क्रिकेट स्पेसिफिक ट्रेनिंग हो। तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड देन आपका डाइट आता है, देन स्लीप आता है। So these are the factors which you have to take care. And then as I grew up, मुझे slowly पता चला यार ये भी होता है, यार ये भी होता है, ऐसे चीज़ें. बट आई थिंक आई एम ग्रेटफुल कि अगर कोई यंगर जनरेशन आ रहा है और मुझे कोई पूछता है कि दीदी क्या करने का जरूरत है, तो आई हैव थिंग्स that you can make, you can do, so they don't have to do trial and error. I'll be like कि मैंने already trial and error कर लिया है, but आपको ये चीजें हैं that will help you to become a better cricketer.
So this podcast is also one such medium जिसमें we try to summarize the entire journey for somebody who is budding into any specific career.
Exactly.
So today it is you as a cricketer, as an international women cricketer. So in my podcast there have been different guests coming from different business backgrounds. तो हम लोग यही चीज करने की कोशिश करते हैं because हमारे पास में आज वो समय नहीं है कि हम लोग 10-15 साल की पहले ठोकर खाए और फिर हम लोग कुछ करने की कोशिश करें. So people like you,
जिसने ठोकरें खाई हो चुकी है already.
So we want you like people to come and share the story. So from here, one very interesting point that I have is जब हम ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं क्रिकेट में, so again for all the women budding cricket players, आप किस क्लब में जा रहे हो, वो क्लब का क्या जर्नी रहा है, वो क्लब का क्या रैपो रहा है, वो मैटर करता है क्या?
यस, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे अगर आप कोई क्लब जा रहे हो, अगर वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी कोई लड़कियां हैं जो जैसे अगर मैं ये क्लब में जा रही हूँ जो विदर्भ में है, तो मैं चेक करूँगी कि अगर वहाँ पे विदर्भा प्लेयर्स ऑलरेडी खेल रहे हो, जो या तो रणजी ट्रॉफी बॉयज खेल रहे हो, तो अगर मैं वो क्लब में जाऊंगी तो मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन गैदर करने या राइट गाइडेंस मिलने के चांसेस ज़्यादा है, रादर देन ऐसे क्लब में जाने से जहाँ पे उतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है कंपेरेटिवली. तो वो हेल्प करता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप बात कर सकते हो सीनियर प्लेयर्स से, सीनियर रणजी बॉयज से कि what it takes to like dominate at the highest level. And I think it helps कि वो क्लब से कौन से प्लेयर्स निकले हैं, तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि वो मैटर करता है.
Of course, interesting यार. So from here, because we have been talking about your journey, then we shifted to all of these things. So I want to know as a woman, एक woman जब कोई भी उस फील्ड में जाए जिसमें ऑलरेडी मेंस पहले से राज करते आ रहे हैं, तो वो थोड़ा सा ना सोसाइटी में हल्ला मचा देता है. सो फॉर यू ऑल्सो, बिकॉज यू हैव टेकन दिस एज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टफेस्ट डिसीजंस जो यूजुअली वुमेन नहीं ले पाती है, एटलीस्ट मारवाड़ी समाज में, अपने कम्युनिटी में. तो कुछ ऐसे इंसिडेंसेस जहाँ पे आपने खुद के लिए स्टैंड लिया होगा, या आपने आपके सोसाइटी में ये बताने की कोशिश की होगी कि यार नहीं, मैं इस चीज के लिए बनी हूँ. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस दिशा कि हमको अगर हमारे करियर में, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ टुडे यू लेट्स सपोज इफ यू आस्क अबाउट मी, तो इफ अगर मुझे मेरे घर पे ये चीज बतानी है दैट आई वांट टू बिकम अ कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर, जबकि फीमेल कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर्स अभी इंडिया में इतने नहीं हैं, तो व्हेन आई हैव टू प्रूव दिस थिंग दैट नो आई एम मेड फॉर दिस और आई हैव दिस एज माय पैशन, तो इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ करेज, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑल्सो टू make people convince in and around you कि यार नहीं, मैं ये चीज कर सकती हूँ. And to prove that you have to do a lot of things and you also have to achieve a lot of goals. You also have to have a lot of accomplishments. तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ है आपके लाइफ में?
Honestly हुआ है, बट मुझे लोग क्या सोचते हैं मुझे उसका उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. इवन समटाइम्स माई रिलेटिव्स व्हाट दे थिंक अबाउट मी डजंट मैटर मी सो मच. मेरा ऐसा है, अब्बू मानने चाहिए, अब्बू मान के कोई माने ना माने फर्क नहीं पड़ता है मेरे लिए. सो इट्स लाइक दैट फॉर मी. तो ऐसा हुआ है, जैसे आई वॉज इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड, तो मेरा बोर्ड था, तो ऑब्वियसली यू नो कि हाउ मच इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज. सो मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम सीनियर्स में खेलने का मौका मिला था वो टाइम पे. सो आई वॉज प्लेइंग अंडर 19 बाय देन, एंड देन आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्ले सीनियर वनडेज, एंड देन आई वॉज पिक्ड फॉर सीनियर T20s एज वेल. एंड दैट टूर्नामेंट वॉज इन जैन, सो फेब में मैचेस होते हैं. सो देन वो टाइम पे ऐसा हुआ कि क्या करोगे अभी आप. सो मतलब मेरे रिलेटिव्स बोल रहे थे, मेरे नेबर्स बोल रहे थे. मैंने पापा को बोला कि पापा आई वांट टू प्ले दिस टूर्नामेंट बिकॉज यू डोंट गेट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्ले एवरी डे. सीनियर्स में फर्स्ट टाइम, मतलब उनके लिए उतना मैटर नहीं करता कि मैं 12th में हूँ, वो तो किसी और को अपॉर्चुनिटी दे देंगे, बट मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये जगह बनाना. तो मैंने बोला पापा प्लीज आई विल मेक श्योर व्हेन आई कम बैक आई विल स्टडी हार्ड. ऐसा कि बट पापा बोले नहीं यार, ऐसा देख 12th है, ऐसे तो हल्के में मत ले. मैं बोला पापा प्लीज 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 आई विल मेक श्योर आई. देन वो ऐसे बोले कि मुझे पता है तू बहुत जिद्दी है, आई नो यू विल डू इट, इफ यू आर सेइंग यू नो यू विल डू इट. सो लॉट ऑफ रिलेटिव्स सेड, लॉट ऑफ माय कजिन्स सेड कि अरे 12th स्टैंडर्ड है, मम्मा भी बोले कि अरे वो पागल हो गई है, आप क्या उसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हो. But when he said yes, then nothing else matters for me.
Right.
And then I finished my tournament. I came back and I studied like crazily after that thing. And then I got luckily 87% in that.
Nice.
But all I did is to not to prove others,
Of course.
but prove my dad right.
Right.
Like the belief he keeps in me. Then मतलब during that time I didn't had any social media. I didn't had phone. मेरे पास phone सिर्फ calling के लिए था. I told all my friends कि मुझे मतलब घर पे भी मत आना, मुझे disturb मत करना. Then I was just studying. I didn't even go to gym. I didn't even go to cricket practice for a month. I was just like locked up in the house and I was just studying.
Oh
Like
my God.
I'm that stubborn kid. If I decide something, then I give it all. ऐसा
Don't
वाला.
you think कि ये stubbornness जो है, that only takes you to where you want to go?
Yes, definitely. मतलब मैंने ऐसे बोला, मतलब पहले भी बोला है कि people say that obsession is not good. Like being obsessed about something is not good. But I think that's been my strength. Like I'm a very obsessed person. Like
Interesting.
yes.
Interesting.
And I think whoever like top athletes,
Yeah.
top people are the obsessed people. They are
100%.
like they want something very badly and they
Yes.
do something different from what people thinks.
Correct.
So I think that's been my strength.
तो यहाँ से when you said कि आपके लिए सबसे important ये है कि मेरे अब्बू मान जाने
Yes.
चाहिए. So from here I want to ask a very personal question to you. How has your relationship with your dad evolved from the time that you have started and right now till the date?
Honestly, it's same.
Wonderful.
Yes.
So cute.
So I think that's the best part about family is it doesn't change with your name, fame,
Yes.
or anything that is coming
Right.
with you when you're growing.
Right.
It's same. So I still respect his decisions. Like अगर वो मतलब उनका ऐसा है कि अगर मैं उनको बोल रही हूँ कि मुझे बैंगलोर जाना है प्रैक्टिस के लिए, तो ही डिडंट इवन आस्क वेयर यू विल बी स्टेइंग. मतलब कोविड में मैंने उनको बोला कि जैसे महाराष्ट्र में लॉकडाउन है तो आई वांट टू गो टू बैंगलोर टू प्रैक्टिस इन लॉकडाउन इन कोविड. ही डिडंट आस्क व्हाई, वेयर यू आर गोइंग, वेयर यू विल स्टे, वेयर यू विल प्रैक्टिस. ही जस्ट सेड यस गो. Mom is like, at least ask where she'll be staying. Are you worried? बोलते वो सब प्लानिंग करके आई है, उसको सब पता है कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ रुकना है, उसके बाद वो मेरे पास आई है.
Wow.
तो it's like yes. And some even if by chance he's saying no, I didn't ask him back कि why no.
Correct.
So once I asked him like, should I color my hairs? So he said, I won't like, but if you want to do, you can go ahead. And from that 8 years back till now, I didn't ask him, should I color my hairs?
So cute, yeah.
So our relationship is like that. If he says yes, then nothing else matter. If he say no, I won't ask him back, why no?
Interesting, but this is the beauty of a father and a daughter relationship.
Yes.
For somebody, for a father like a Marwadi father, for
Yes.
example, तो Marwadi father क्या हर एक पापा के लिए उनकी बेटी
Correct.
परी जैसी होती
Yes.
है. So she is like a princess to him. So interesting, yeah, very nice. So from here onwards, one lesson or one quote or your feelings on father-daughter relationships to everybody who's watching this video. So to every father who is actually wanting his or her daughter to become an international women cricket player like you.
I think मैं आज जो भी हूँ मेरे पापा के वजह से हूँ. तो आई थिंक माई फादर हैज ऑलवेज टोल्ड मी दैट यू आर अ बर्ड, फ्लाई एज हाई एज यू कैन, आई वोंट लेट एनीवन टू कट योर विंग्स. सो मैं जो भी पापा लोग जो देख रहे हैं कि अपने बच्चे को उड़ने दो, जितना उड़ना है उड़ने दो, गिरेंगे भी तो खुद से संभलेंगे और फिर उड़ेंगे. तो बस उनको मतलब मेक श्योर करो कि जो भी उनके पंख काट रहे हैं उनको उनके पंख मत काटने दो और वो जितना उड़ना चाहे उतना उड़ने दो. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट स्काई इज लिमिट.
Of course. No
यस.
doubt, no doubt.
सो आई थिंक दैट्स माई थिंग कि मैं जो भी हूँ आज मेरे पापा के वजह से हूँ. तो बहुत सारे फादर्स अगर अपने डॉटर्स को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं तो मेरे जैसे कितने डॉटर्स निकलेंगे.
100% यार, 100%. From here on, I want to ask, दिशा के बारे में एक चीज मुझे पता चली है, which is that she is very stubborn. Okay. So what are the other things that you want the entire world to know? Because of course, on camera, on screen, on field, you are different, and as a person, you are different. So who are you as a person?
I'm a very soft-hearted person.
Okay. I just saw that.
Yes. So, but maybe when I'm on the field, I'm like I'll do anything to make my team win. Like I'll try everything in my control within the spirit of the game to make my team win. But outside, maybe I'm very soft-hearted person.
Yeah.
Like
A bit emotional.
yeah, a bit emotional, and like I'm the youngest in the family.
Oh my god.
So you know how pampered I
Yes,
am, and
100%.
like how my family must be treating me एकदम.
right.
So and like ऐसा कि मम्मा मुझे यही चाहिए like that.
Interesting.
Yes.
Okay, coming back to the point of cricket. कैसा फील हुआ जब आपको आरसीबी में सिलेक्ट किया गया?
For some time मतलब मुझे ऐसे वो होता है ना, ऐसे दुनिया रुक गई टाइप फीलिंग. मतलब बस सुना था for that moment. Yeah, for that moment मेरी दुनिया रुक गई थी. Like I was like just my whole family was celebrating. मैं actually सातेगांव में थी, and my बड़े पापा was there, my mom, dad, दादी, बड़े पापा, one more, and then I think my brother and sister were also there. So and they were all celebrating, and then I was just watching. I didn't smile, I didn't dance, I was just like.
You were not able.
Yeah, I was not able to like soak it in. I was like. And then they were like, hey! It was like
You
that
were all
moment.
frozen.
Yeah.
So how was your experience while you were into the team of RCB?
I think that is like most amazing team and franchise I've ever played for.
Amazing.
Yes.
So what is that one thing which makes RCB stand out in the entire league from the other teams also?
I think the atmosphere within the team, everyone knows their roles well, और हम लोग जीतने या हारने से टीम के अंदर का माहौल चेंज नहीं होता है. I think it's very difficult to keep.
Right.
Last year we lost 5 matches in a row, but 6th match में भी मतलब 5 मैच के बाद भी माहौल सेम था टीम के अंदर.
So the same inspiration, same motivation.
Yeah, whether it's success, whether it's failure, we stick together. And जो भी I think जो RCB के स्टाफ है उनका बहुत बड़ा रोल है इसमें कि they try to keep atmosphere very light, whether you lose, whether you win, it's like सब कुछ ठीक है, it's okay, ऐसा वाला.
How would RCB without Virat Kohli?
I think people won't imagine RCB without Virat Kohli.
So like I think it must be exactly like a couple of days before जैसे MS Dhoni retire हुए. So the entire aura of this Indian cricket atmosphere was so up and down because किसी को वो चीज़ digest ही नहीं हो रही थी that finally the MS Dhoni has retired.
But I don't think that he has said that.
No, I think
rumors hai.
Yeah.
But like what I feel that Chennai didn't qualify, and I think players like him will come back next year and he'll make sure that Chennai 100%. Will go into playoffs 100%. And maybe win. Yeah. Like that's what I feel as a cricketer inside me.
So for people like us who are on the other side of the coin, we always feel कि अच्छा किसी ने कोई अच्छे social media handle ने अगर post डाला होगा तो ठीक है, MS धोनी ने retire कर लिया होगा.
नहीं.
So we don't know. But interesting. Okay. Yes. So from here on, I want to ask RCB as a team जो भी है, RCB ने बहुत सारे matches जीते हैं, हारे हैं, मतलब of course because it's a sporty avenue, तो हारना और जीतना is there. So something that your Indian women RCB team has taken an inspiration from men's RCB team?
I think last year when Virat came to talk to us, he said that RCB fans are the most loyal fans in the whole world.
Yes, my brother also told me the same.
Yeah, and whether you win, whether you lose, don't worry, they'll be always there to be with you. So I think that मतलब अगर people are coming to watch you, वो pressure रहता है कि यार you are not able to give them back. So he said कि I have played for 16 years without a trophy, and still RCB fans are the best fans in the whole world, and there is a reason behind it.
What's the reason?
Because they are the most loyal fans. Like they don't change with win or loss. Like they are always there to support you. You look at like RCB has lost 6 matches in in first 7 games, and still the support they have got from the RCB fans was same, and I think that's what makes them different.
Do you also think that the fan base of RCB is emotionally attached to RCB? चाहे वो जीते चाहे वो हारे, चाहे वो नेक्स्ट इसमें परफॉर्म करे नहीं करे, सो प्रॉब्ली जब लास्ट टाइम आपका RCB वुमेन्स टीम आया था तो तभी भी डू यू थिंक दैट द एग्जिस्टिंग RCB फैन बेस मस्ट हैव गिवन यू अ लॉट ऑफ लव, दे मस्ट हैव showered you a lot of respect and care?
Yes, definitely. And this year we played in the Bangalore, like in front of RCB crowd, and all the tickets for RCB women's game was sold out.
Oh my god.
And the revenue was generated mostly from the RCB games. So like first match was I think on the weekend. So the stadium was already full when Smriti went for the toss. Like she couldn't hear what the commentator was saying.
Oh my god.
So it was that loud.
RCB.
Yes.
RCB. Oh,
and she said that this is one of the loudest crowd I have heard.
Interesting.
Yeah, and then so next match was on the weekdays. So by the time toss was happened, I think 70% of the full, and then I was like, tickets were sold out. Like, why people are not here yet? And then 7:30 was the match. By 7:45, 8 o'clock, stadium was full.
So cool.
So that was RCB crowd for men's game and women's game. Amazing. So that's what makes RCB franchisee different.
So when you play as an RCB team member, now that you have been playing this women Premier League, so जब आप field में उतरते हो, and as Smriti told you that she was not able to hear what the commentator was saying, so it must be happening similarly with all the rest of the team members as well. So how do you manage that pressure?
I don't think it's a pressure because we wanted this.
Correct.
Because if you want people to come, you can't think it as a pressure.
Of course.
So like we wanted कि जितने लोग आए उतना अच्छा है women's cricket के लिए.
Then you get a strong motivation.
Yes. Then how you can take it as a pressure? That's what we tell ourselves. कि if you want something, there will be things coming with it, and you have to accept that gracefully.
Right. Very interestingly said, because a couple of times before जब भी कोई match खत्म होता था तो there were cricket players coming on the screen and they were sharing their opinions about how the match went and XYZ. So there were a lot of cricket players, I do not remember the names, but they kept on telling कि यार बहुत प्रेशर होता है, you don't know, बहुत प्रेशर होता है, but this perspective that you have said कि यार आप ही ने आपके लिए वो चीज़ create किया है, तो how can you consider it as a pressure? Very nice, Disha, very nice, interesting. So from here, I want to ask, any memorable moment that you must have had in your journey, in your entire journey, funniest, memorable, the most cherishable one?
I think for people, the funniest will be the first match I played for under 19. I was the last person to go on to bat. So like I went 9 down, and then I got out on the second ball, and then to able to play at the top order bat now and to play for the RCB team as a batter, I think that won't make like people realize that she was the 10 down bat.
Interesting, yeah, very nice. बहुत सारे incidences रहे होंगे, but I believe this is just one of them.
Yeah.
So
I think memorable one will be none other than the WPL trophy.
Of course. So you also had put up a story wherein you are holding the trophy and you said best time.
Yes.
Something I don't know. So my brother was showing me that beautiful pic today morning. Interesting. From here on, again, a very interesting point. जब आप first time विराट कोहली से मिले, so it is very well said in the training industry also. एक person, so for example, who Disha is today, it is because of the 5 closest people to whom you are surrounded with.
Yes.
तो वो 5 लोगों का aura आपके अंदर आता है. वो 5 लोग कैसे सोचते हैं वो आप में झलकता है.
True.
So when you met a person or a leader like Virat Kohli, what were those key things that you were able to sense from his aura?
First thing is he don't have to talk to tell his aura.
हाँ, right.
Yes, like I met him like recently, like when we won the WPL trophy. They gave us like a guest of honor, and then at that moment when I went to take a picture, my heartbeat was. And when you see in his eyes, I don't know, I never felt that aura in anyone else. Like I met a lot of cricketers,
Right.
but like if you're surrounded by him, that I don't know, that some aura he have, that vibes he have is already so positive
Cool,
and
calm,
like
composed.
yeah, like his eyes is like fierce,
Oh,
but inside he's calm. Like if you look at his eyes, it's like man,
oh my god.
he is like, you know, like he's meant for something. Yeah.
Interesting. So
And
you could
then-
sense that passion through his eyes.
Yes, definitely. And his aura is very strong. And then the thing, like recently, everyone is talking about like there are so many things going on. Like he said this last year when he came to meet us, that sometimes there is 1% chance, and
Yes.
then yeah, that he said in the last WPL he came to us
Ah,
because we lost 5 games in a row, and he said this that time.
there's
That-
still 1% chance.
Yes, and then sometimes that 1% chance is good enough,
Right.
and that tells you about him.
Right.
And then
what
he has
kind of
proved this.
positive
Yes,
approach you have
Yes.
towards this game. Amazing. Also from here, because we have been talking about this aura, I wanted to know, what is your relationship with Spriti Mandana? How is it?
it's very chill. Once she don't make you feel like
She's
like,
leader.
Yeah, she's leader, or like she is just like a friend who's sitting next to you talking about cricket, and
Yeah.
she makes you feel home.
Ah.
She's very easygoing person. You can talk to her anytime. Like you don't have to think about while like before talking to her. So she's that kind of person. Like you can go to her anytime, ask her anything about cricket, about life, and she's always open to answer.
One quality of hers that makes her stand out from all other cricket players.
I think being available for people. Yes.
But that's the most rarest one when we think of international cricket players, of course.
Yes.
Because they are so much bounded with their own schedules. You know, they have to think 10 times before taking any decision.
Yes.
So do you still think that it is there?
Yes. I think why RCB women's won this year is like she was available for people.
Smriti, this is for you. Smriti, this is for you. Please listen to this entire podcast.
Yes, I think
Interesting.
she was there for the camps, like, and she took time to understand bowlers, understand batters, what combination it takes. She took a lot of time for the domestic people to understand what it takes,
Right.
being there for them
Right.
during tough times, and like I think this quality of her, I think.
Interesting. When we see movies in the sports category, for example, if you take it Saina Nehwal, ठीक है? So Saina Nehwal के case में, I believe, I'm just giving a rough and tough example. हम जब भी एक टीम में play करते हैं, so whosoever is the leader, of course Saina Nehwal में she was the individual face, there was no
Yeah.
team in that game. But if you see any team bounded game, तो उसमें लीडर का काम 2 होता है, आई बिलीव. एक जो मूवीज में दिखाते हैं उसके हिसाब से, एक कि वो उस इंसान के, उस टीम मेंबर के स्किल्स को देखता है, और दूसरा कि वो टीम मेंबर कहाँ से आया है उस चीज को देखता है. सो वन, ही नोज दैट पर्सन इन एंड आउट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द स्किल सेट दैट ही हैज, एंड सेकंड इज फ्रॉम वेयर ही हैज कम.
Yeah.
So as to understand कि उनका upbringing कैसा है, उनकी
Yeah.
सोच कैसी है, because that plays a very crucial role, I
Yeah.
guess, here. So Smriti, what kind of leadership qualities she had in all of this time period?
I think it's very important to understand the nature of that person.
Right.
So like sometimes skills like if someone needs to be put a hand on us ki you can do it.
Yeah.
Someone is like you have to do it, man. What you are doing?
Correct.
So
correct.
it's very important to understand कि
क्या
वो-
टोन यूज करना है
yes,
आपको?
वो नेचर क्या है, उसको कैसे हैंडल करना है, व्हाट्स मेक कि वो बेस्ट क्या कैसे आएगा वो पर्सन से या वो प्लेयर से.
Interesting, yeah. So, do you also see yourself as, as the leading captain of RCB in the near future? Do you wish to?
Yes, because like for me, like I am leading Vidarbha side. I don't know, in the near future, let's see, Smriti is best at what she is doing right now,
100%.
and I am happy playing under her. So, but if I got anytime opportunity, I would love to, because I'm leading Vidarbha side, and I don't know, like leading sides, any side, whether it's be club games, whether it's be Vidarbha side. This gives me, I can say, a lot of satisfaction inside me, and that is something that gets best out of me.
100%. 100%.
Yeah, so I think I'm the happiest when I'm leading some side.
Wow. So, guys, we have the future leader coming up for Team RCB playing internationally into the women category. So, of course, all the well wishes for you as a leader would always be there through this podcast, without this podcast, with this podcast. But from here, again, getting back to the track, when you play nationally and internationally, I think one of the most important aspect of winning or losing game is again the secondary point, but of course how you handle the team, as we have discussed before, is very important. तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं, so for example for them who are still not there at the national or at the international level, who are still playing at state level or under 19, under 16, तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है टीम में जो टीम में सुधारने की ज़रूरत है, या टीम में जिनके बारे में ध्यान नहीं दिया जाता पर ध्यान देना चाहिए?
I think character plays a very important role. What characteristics you bring to the team.
Okay, interesting.
Yes.
Interesting.
Like how honest you are about your game. How you enjoy each other's success.
Yeah. Most importantly.
I think I'll pick anyone in my team who is happy for others' success than selfish about, because then it reflects in the game.
Of course.
And it's a team game. Then there are a lot of characteristics, how disciplined you are.
Right.
For me, discipline like is the most important thing. It's not like in discipline there comes a time, like you have to be on time.
Yes.
So like it's like if I am reaching late for a practice game also, that shows like how important it is for me.
Correct.
So it's come with us, like whether it's a practice session, like how important it is for you. So like then discipline comes, and then I think a good characteristics as a team player and as a individual player is something needs to be built at grassroots level.
Interesting. So here on you meant to say ki whatever kind of activity that you are doing to bring a value added contribution to the team,
Yes.
makes it more important. It's like cherry on the cake.
Yes. I think people don't understand this, that the values and the characteristics is a cake and everything is a cherry on top.
Very nice. Interesting. This is going to this is going to get stated as a famous quote by Disha Kasat.
Maybe I didn't know, it just came.
Interesting. One very interesting question, dreamy question. अगर आपको कभी ऐसा मौका मिल जाए that you have to play with a legendary cricketer, who that cricketer would be and why?
I think none other than Virat.
Why so?
I think you asked about the dream. I think I have already played with Smriti, Alice Perry. I think they are also a legend of the game. And I think it was already a dream come true to play with them. And I think if you ask one more dream to come true, I think it will be Virat Kohli, playing with him. I think the energy he gets to the side.
Right.
And I think I grew up watching him. Like I didn't grow up watching so much of Sachin. I grew up watching more of Virat.
Yeah, because it was his era.
Yes.
In the past couple of years. Correct.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. You can say a last decade.
Yes.
And I think what energy he gets to the team. I think his fitness.
Yes.
His passion about the game. His mindset while chasing the games. I think all these things I wanna enjoy with him, like watching him from non-striker end.
Interesting. So you might be getting a lot of, irrational learnings while you play with him.
Yes.
तो अभी तक के जो आपने सीखा होगा probably उसको देखते देखते सीखा होगा, but when you play on field with him, it would be a different world then.
Yes.
100%. Interesting. From here on, because now you are an international women cricket player, where do you see women in this cricket industry in the near future? Do you think that WPL, which got launched the last year, is going to bring a lot of hopes and opportunities for women out there?
Definitely. I think before women or girls can't take cricket as a career because because money is needed. Like,
yes, it is.
yes, and like what you earn, what we used to earn from domestic cricket won't even like take our day to day. We have to ask from family for some money. But now coming like WPL and the equal pay at the highest level, like at the international level, like men's and women's are paid equally. Yeah, and
so
I think
that's a big change also.
yes, I think that's what will keep girls and women's to take cricket professionally.
Yeah,
Like
100%.
before, we played because we enjoyed this game. We didn't took it initially as a professional view or something that I can earn from.
Right.
We took it just for the love of game.
Right.
But I think at some point of time in life, you have to decide that okay, this is there, but where from can I earn from?
Correct.
Because you can't keep asking your mom and dad for money.
Of course.
So I think that's the big change that BCCI got. I think especially the international level and then the WPL level. I think that's the gap between the domestic and the international circuit. So I think now it's a very good era for the women cricketer to grow and like play at the highest level as a professional view.
So we can already see a live example in front of us. So you, Smriti, and I think all the women cricket players out there, they have, I'm not exaggerating, but genuinely you guys have set up a good benchmark for everybody from the same community, because day in and day out we do have a certain level of pressure from our society, from our parents कि यार तुझे कुछ तो ऐसा करना है जिससे तू खुद का सर्वाइवल कर पाए और तू इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाए. वो चीज को डिनाई हम नहीं कर सकते at any point of time. So because of all of such opportunities or all of such initiatives जो भी BCCI ले रहा है, it's amazing, man. So big kudos to the entire team also. One very interesting and the most, I think this, if at all I take out a reel out of this question that I'm going to ask you, it's going to get millions of views. So this question is, was MS Dhoni into your subconscious mind in terms of an inspiration for you throughout your journey?
I think yes. I think someone like I follow, like I think if I see myself, like if someone I'm copying to is a characteristics of bit of MS Dhoni and bit of Virat Kohli.
Ah, okay.
Like,
so the blend of both of them.
Yes. Like if I want to pick some characteristics from Dhoni and Virat, I think I try to do that. Like I think his calmness under pressure.
Yeah. And people also praise him a lot for the captainship, for the leadership that he has on the field. So is that also one of them?
Yes. And I think overall as a person, what he is, I think you don't have to like elaborate that.
Yes. 100%.
In general, MS Dhoni,
everybody knows it. So it is also very well said, Disha, from of course a lot of business tycoons here across Nagpur. They say that सक्सेस उन्हीं के पास में टिकता है जो हम्बल और ग्राउंडेड रहते हैं हमेशा. तो आई थिंक दैट वन क्वालिटी you can see that one quality in almost all the leaders.
Yes.
All the leaders of Indian cricket team, or say any other sports. True. Or let's say any damn person who has done so good in his or her life. So and I can sense that from you as well. Honestly, I can sense that from you as well. So okay. Here on, last two important questions and then we'll go to the rapid fire round. Okay. So one question is for all the women cricket players here. State a couple of challenges in your entire journey जो एक normal budding women cricketer के लिए आ सकते हैं and they have to get prepared for it in a way also.
I think right now the competition is so much that they're gonna I think a lot of young cricketers come to me and I think they are very pressurized if they don't perform in like 4 games or 5 games.
Right.
They are like that I'm having anxiety.
Yes.
Like what should I do?
Mental health.
Yes, and I think it's very important to have a bigger picture in life. I think that has always helped me. And like if I'm failing for 3 or 4 games, I know like I can't judge myself with the hard work I've done with this 3 to 4 games.
100%.
And I know where I have to reach. So there's gonna be ups, there's gonna be downs, there's gonna be ups. But when you keep looking at the bigger picture, it's easy for you to calm down. Like
ये
when-
तो बस शुरुआत है,
yes,
अभी तो क्या है इस
like
place पे
I
चलना
see failures as like just a one game, and I see success as it is one game.
होगा. Got it.
So it's
Got
very small difference. Like when you are not at your highest, you have to tell yourself it's just a one game.
it. Right.
And when you are at your highest, you have to tell it's one game. So you have to be very hungry.
Right.
And I've always thought कि when you are at your highest, तुम इतने runs कर लो या इतना like सब कमा लो runs पैसा कि आपके लिए बुरे दिन के लिए काम है.
Correct.
So
Correct.
that's my thing कि
Correct.
when you are at your highest, you should not stop. You
Correct.
should be like वो इन्वेस्ट करके रख लो बुरे
Right.
टाइम के लिए
Right.
वैसा.
Very interesting, yeah. Nice perspective. So, this conversation was amazing, interesting, because I, as a layman, I was never so much fascinated about cricket. But now that, and I think this must have happened for a lot of women out there. क्योंकि जब तक कि हमको हमारे बिरादरी के लोग नहीं दिखते ना, तब तक कि हमको उसमें इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं आता. और जब कोई अपना वाला उसमें चले जाए तो अपन बोलते हैं यार उसने किया, कैसे किया, एक बार समझ लेते हैं.
Correct.
So again, from you and from the entire women cricket players out there, in your team and of course in the other teams also, you guys are, as I said before, you guys are setting new and higher benchmarks for all of us out there. Interesting. Last one question. Where do you see Disha Kasat in the near future?
Honestly, I don't think too ahead of myself. Like as I said
Still in the
that
present?
yeah, I said that I have a bigger picture. Definitely
Yeah.
playing for India.
Yeah.
Like lifting the World Cup is the ultimate goal.
Of course.
But then you can't keep thinking about it.
Yeah.
Like what I have realized through this journey that you have somewhere to reach, but it's important to enjoy the journey. So like, and that has came from like I go to a lot of treks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Solo travel.
No, I go with the friends.
Okay.
But what treks has made me realize is that we like I've did 3-4 treks, and then we are always thinking about the peak to achieve.
Right.
And then you're like यार जब peak आएगा तब मैं सबसे ज़्यादा खुश होंगे. So like the peak will be the Indian team.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So for me the peak is Indian team. So I'll be like यार जब वो मिलेगा तब मैं खुश होंगे. That will be the happiest moment of my life. And then throughout the journey I'll be keep thinking yaar peak. And then when I come back I realize that peak may or may not be the best thing in your life. But then along the way जो ऐसे ही unknown लोग मिल जाते हैं उनसे बातचीत करना, उनके लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है वो पूछना, वो अपने बारे में पूछते हैं. Then those silence in the woods you go through, जो river का आवाज होता है along the way, and then staying in the tents.
Correct.
Like that uncomfortable situation you put into, and then different thing like along the way जो mountains दिखते हैं,
Right.
that peace you feel through the journey. So then I've realized that peak might or might not be the best part of your journey,
Right.
but the journey is. So I look my life in that way, that this is my peak to achieve, but I want to enjoy my journey through.
Right, the small details also.
Yes. So I try to enjoy my everyday practice session even when no one is watching. Inside my head I am happy. Inside my head like I don't want to forget that I just started this game as a kid who just knows the
Right.
joy of playing cricket. So that's how I look at it. Like definitely there will be peaks, but I think with now whenever I heard like someone lost their loved ones and all, you don't know, like life is very small, you don't know what's gonna happen, and you just can't keep thinking okay वो मिलेगा तो खुश होंगे, because we are humans.
Right.
अपने wants unlimited है, अपन खुशी नहीं होते. जब iPhone मिलता है तो iPhone 13 चाहिए, 13 जब वो फिर newly launched,
Right.
then even if I achieve my peak, I'll have some other peaks to achieve.
Right.
But for me I think it's important कि मैं present में जो चीज़ है मेरे पास already, I think I'll be grateful for that. So मतलब I realize this कि when I was not playing for RCB for first few games, and I was very upset. And then I was talking to mom. I was like, yeah, mama, like I'm prepared for this. It's not coming. I was desperate. And then she made me realize कि यार जब तूने शुरू किया था, अगर तुझे बोलूँगी कि तू RCB के लिए खेलेगी, you'll be the most happiest.
Right.
And now when you are actually playing for RCB, you are worried that you are not playing.
Correct. तो वो हर बार कभी ना कभी रहेगा ही.
Yes. It should be there, but it should not take you to the desperation.
Correct.
You should be happy where you are, and then things will come along the way.
Right.
So that's my way of looking things.
Very interesting story, and I must say that you are a very good storyteller also. Very interestingly relatable. Nice, cool. So ये questions genuinely खत्म नहीं होंगे. So it's better that I make an intentional pause here. Otherwise you will also get tired of answering all the questions. But ये conversation genuinely incomplete रहेगा अगर मैं अपना typical patent rapid fire नहीं करूँ तो. So there would be 11 questions.
Okay.
10 would be good questions, and the last one would be the most important question. Okay. So you just have to be very quick.
Okay.
So you have to answer in 2 seconds.
Okay.
The question number 1 is, you are a tea person or a coffee person?
Coffee.
Okay. Morning training or evening practice?
Morning training.
Your favorite cricketer?
Virat Kohli.
One word to describe your batting style?
Domination.
Okay. Dream vacation destination?
Norway.
Alright. Your favorite cuisine to eat?
घर का खाना.
You like sabzi roti the most?
Yes.
Okay. Most memorable match till the date?
RCB winning with RCB final.
Fair enough. Your go-to relaxation technique?
Going for treks.
Alright. One thing that you cannot start your day without?
Meditation.
Oh, you do meditation?
Yes, I do.
Amazing. Favorite hobby outside of cricket?
I think reading books and travel.
Fiction or non-fiction? Both of them?
No, like more of self-help books.
Right. Yeah. Got it. Alright. And the last but the most important question, one word about the Sneha Towri.
Interesting personality.
Thank you so much. And anything that you want to tell to all the audiences watching this video right now?
Thank you for watching, and I think athletes or non-athletes, I think it's very important to stay healthy. Do whatever you can, play some sports, play any sport you want, walk, do strength, do gym, whatever you like, explore. But it's very important to stay healthy, and someone who wants to take any career in cricket or any other sports, make sure you work hard for it. Or any whatever you do in life, I think my mantra is hard work is the only thing that
nothing can
beat that. Yes.
100%.
So work hard and do love what you do.
And also one of the qualities that you are known for on the entire social media is your impressive consistency towards every single thing that you have done in life.
Yeah, I think it comes with I chose this.
Yeah, correct.
I think
correct.
No one has to wake me up at 4 a.m. because I chose this.
Right.
So
right.
everything comes with that. Whatever I do in life, no one is watching and no one is worried.
Right.
I chose this, so I have to make sure that I do it.
Interesting.
Yes.
तो दिशा से बहुत अच्छा ज्ञान मिल सकता है because she is somebody who is self-made, who has made who she is, who has actually helped her own self to reach where she is from the very scratch. और ये पॉडकास्ट उन सारे वुमेन बडिंग क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स के लिए जिनको अपना करियर इस फील्ड में, इस क्रिकेट इंडस्ट्री में बढ़ाना है. एंड ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू कम अप विद अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्टेंट लाइक दिस. दिशा की जर्नी 100% रॉ थी, 100% वही थी जो उन्होंने आज इस पॉडकास्ट में बताया है. दिस पॉडकास्ट वॉज नॉट स्क्रिप्टेड, ओनली द सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वर. So make sure that you share this to as many women out there as possible for you, and also share this to somebody जो चाहते हैं कि यार मेरी बेटी या मेरी बहन या मेरी फीमेल बेस्ट फ्रेंड या कोई भी वुमेन उनके लाइफ की इस फील्ड में आगे बढ़े. एंड ऑल्सो देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ गुड लेसन्स, लाइफ लेसन्स एंड लेसन्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू पेरेंटिंग आउट ऑफ दिस पॉडकास्ट. वी आर सून गोइंग टू शेयर अ लॉट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेटिव क्लिप्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, सो स्टे ट्यून. एंड ऑल्सो इफ एट ऑल टिल डेट अगर आपने दिशा के प्रोफाइल को जाके फॉलो नहीं करा होगा तो यू आर गोइंग टू रिग्रेट इट. आई कैन बेट यू ऑन दिस. Disha is having an absolutely good profile. Stay tuned because she keeps posting all of her updates there on her social media profile. And Disha, at last, I just want to say that this entire India is proud of you.
Thank you so much.
And we are really looking forward for Disha-like players to come up through this video, through this podcast. And कभी अगर मौका मिले तो आपके साथ फिर से बातचीत करेंगे.
बिल्कुल.
Thank you so much and stay tuned.